Hi, my name is Rohit, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Transcelestial. Transcelestial is based in Singapore, and we are working on solving humanity's long-term communication needs. We believe that connectivity is a fundamental human right, and as part of the work we've been doing for the last 5 years, and we continue to do it right now, we want to help solve the connectivity experience for at least a billion people. Transcelestial's first goal is to help solve the connectivity distribution problem on last mile, or what is more broadly categorized as urban connectivity. This is the connectivity that's between cell towers, homes, offices, schools, hospitals, and other buildings and poles within an urban environment. Now, typically, this is done using fiber optics. What technology we have developed is wireless fiber optics, which uses lasers to make the connections between these places. Now, the obvious results are that telcos and ISPs who typically build these save huge amounts of time and cost and can naturally pass these savings on to customers and consumers like us. What we think Alaian can help us do is effectively bridge that gap in terms of educating customers about this product, about this technology worldwide, so that the last couple of decades where fiber has only been the option for super high-speed connectivity, that goes away and is replaced by a wireless solution which can help bring the next billion users online.